Today, I will be showing you guys how to install a MicroSD Express card into a Nintendo Switch 2. Okay, now, the thing about this is that, first of all, make sure it's a MicroSD Express card. And not just a micro SD card like the Nintendo Switch 1 used, or you might get an error or an error code or something. Be very specific when you look at it. If you're unsure, you can buy the official Nintendo seal as far as stuff goes. You can buy the one that I got. And yeah, so let's actually get to it. Honestly, I was going to do a top-down view, but I'm just going to do it here because it's literally pretty easy. You just lift up this stand here and there's a slot there, so I'm going to place this down. The stand actually comes in handy because it's holding it up while I get this out of the case here. Now this is 256 gigs. I don't know if it's currently higher at the moment for MicroSD Express cards. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are 2 rows here versus 1 row that the regular micro SD cards have. So what we want to do is pick this up again. Don't want my fingers in the way for you guys to see. And then we are going to put this simply here. Okay. And then we just push it in, make sure that it does the whole clicking thing, and then it's in. We can just put it back down here. And then if we look at the screen, well, let me go ahead and power on the Nintendo Switch 2. Okay. We powered it on, and then we click here, and then it will say to use the inserted SD card Express, update the system. We will, of course, click update. And then it says system update available now. We hit system update. We hit OK. And then, it's doing its regular updating thing as one would expect. Update complete. So it's restarting right now. And then after it restarts, if we go to settings and data management, you would see that we have, it reads on MicroSD Express card, and then from here, you should be able to move games to the MicroSD Express card, and from it, just like you would install the game on different drives on a computer and stuff. So, yeah. And like I said at the beginning, it does have to be a MicroSD Express, okay, versus a MicroSD card. Now, be careful. The reason why I said be careful at the beginning, because there are some companies out there that do advertise that the SD card will work for the switch to, but that's not necessarily true because the normal SD card doesn't have fast enough speeds to yet. So you can't, so it's not just as easy as popping your SD card from the Nintendo Switch 1 to the Nintendo Switch 2. Now, a lot of people were actually quite upset about this, and I'd be interested to know your guys' opinions on that, if you have an opinion on that. Because yeah, it is more money to spend, especially if you want to get the official one. So I definitely understand that. But let me know, comment section below, if this helped you at all. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.